And Drew Thorpe on the mound, the right-hander for the Renegades. Ward at 256, 6 home runs, and 35 RBIs to go along with 19 stolen bases. And he has 17 hits in his last 53 at-bats, playing very well. And a base hit last night. First pitch by Thorpe is high, a fastball. He'll bat sixth. And Ward fouls one off third base side. Ward, a left-handed hitter. Thorpe's pitch, a changeup, swing and a miss. Beautiful. Blue Claws. Here's the 1-2. Ward lays off, and the count derailed his career, unfortunately. And the 3-2 pitch is swung on and missed. Went to the changeup and got Ward swinging. Strike 3 would go as counters too, right?
Oh yes, yeah. I mean,
fastball strike.
There weren't real good amenities.
Swing and a miss by Nava, but
talent.
0-2 pitch, swing and a miss. Nava, strike 3. You want to stick around? We'll keep it here. Against the Braves, just 3 games before another off day next Monday. There's a strike to Ward here until July 25th. Swing and a miss by Ward. 2 out, and the pitch to Ward is swung on and missed. Fastball and got him, strike 3. And this side retired. 4 today with Nick Ward leading off, but he made the last out of the 5th. Lee Seng can't check a swing at a changeup. And the 0-1 from Thorpe, swing and a miss. Another change top half of the 6th. There's the 0-2, check swing, and pitch was low. Workers' compensation and employee benefits, swing and a miss. Strike 3, another changeup from Thorpe. His 4th strikeout, 1 away. 2 homers in this series, and he swings through, not going here. And Wingrove takes another changeup. 1 out, bottom of the 6th. Runner bluffs, pitch foul back. Try to get a fastball by him. Rincones takes off for second, but it was, or was that not a foul ball? No, they say he swung and missed for strike 3. My mistake. Fralin Magnetti against Drew Thorpe, the right-hander. First pitch to Carr, strike. Nothing in 1 locations. Carr check swing, high fastball, 1-1. 1-1 pitch is swung on and missed. The bat flies into the Blue Claws dugout, and they duck in his last 6 games. Carr lays off a fastball, 2 up to Double-A. Somerset. Carr takes that one, called strike. And he is punched out for out number 1. Renegade hitters, but Jersey Shore still down 1-0. Nava loses the bat as he swings and misses. This time it goes out towards second base, and 2 times in this inning. The count on Nava, and he looks at a fastball that's out. Fastball high. 2 out, nobody on. Nava swings and misses at another changeup by Thorpe. And the payoff to Nava is another changeup swing and a miss. He got him, strike 3. 7 strikeouts for Thorpe.